Okay, so I did a little bit of cheating and I discovered what to do next but didn't record it, so here's a recap. After searching and prodding around this whole entire encasing, I took my handy dandy butter knife and on the part that has this black thing right here, you'll notice right in the crack there's a little metallic place to wedge your knife in right there. And if you wedge it up, what you will notice is that, look, this is the LED screen and the broken glass, exactly where we need to be. So I'm going to pause the video for a little bit and figure out what to do next, and I'll get back to you.